This is a digital video of the Duplo System 5000 Twin Tower with DBM 400 booklet maker, stitch, fold, and trim. And this is the book press installed in between the System 4000 trimmer and 4000 booklet maker. And Craig, this is a demo run of your system. And of course we pulled all the covers off, to make sure that everything's okay, there's no issues or problems. We like to run it with the covers off. Basically how the system works is you have two sets of compression rollers. The first set is spring loaded, the second set is positive. The first set it basically feeds it into the second set. The first set does crush the book some, but then the second set does most of the pushing on the bind. And you can see here by looking at the booklet, okay, what we're running here is 9 sheets of 80-pound gloss and a 10-point cover. And it's all long grain too. I mean, if we were running short grain on the cover at least, or short grain the paper, you'd have an even flatter looking booklet, but that's really a lot better than it would be if you were just trying to run it without the fold. And of course, the 4000 booklet makers are known for doing a really good job on folding. They have 6 sets of fold rollers. 3 sets of fold rollers, 6 rollers all total. Plus the trimmer has a crusher on it as well. So, but anyway, we're going to go ahead and do the demo run. And this is something that we do as a standard prior to shipping. The book press runs on 220 volts, can be connected separately. The connection is right here on the back side of the booklet maker. When you plug it in there, the 110 volts circuit from the booklet maker turns the book press on. You can hear as soon as the set hits the second set of rollers, you can feel it, and that's about maximum, I would say. And you look at the way it's set right there, how it's coming out of the collator, laying pretty flat. Now I'm gonna lower it down to 4. You can tell by the difference in the sound. You can see where it opens up just a little bit more than it did before. But you can tell by the sound if you're getting into too much pressure. So that's like 4.5 right there. Okay, this completes our demo run. Put some on there. Okay, so that's what our booklets look like after they're finished. And we've run about 1,500 sets through the system, just mainly double checking everything to make sure that the book press runs and everything runs like it's supposed to, and the book press checks out. We're going to be, I think we've already sent you the manuals on the operating parts and service on this unit here. It's pretty simple and straightforward. There's really not a lot to it. As you can see, it's just it's very heavily constructed, though. It's built like a tank. But basically it has two sets of cylinders driven by chains, and on the other side is the main drive by a motor. And it basically just compresses the bind as it comes through the unit. Pretty straightforward. It's very similar to Borg's design, except that the rollers are smaller and closer together, which eliminated a lot of the issues and problems that Borg had with theirs, because there was too much space between the rollers, and the booklets would have a tendency to ride upward and then buckle the fold going through the second set of rollers. So, but anyway, if you have any questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call. We will be packaging it up. Depending on which one is the best rate, we will either ship it crated LTL or we'll ship it padded van, Atlas van lines, and we'll let you know later tomorrow or Monday which way it's going to go, and you'll receive a copy of the bill of lading and so forth when the unit's picked up here. And if you have any questions, like I said, give us a call. Thank you.